income tax return filing is mandatory if your income is above rupees 2.5 lakh. So don't be confused that if my income is up to 5 lakh or 7 lakh in case of new tax regime, I am not supposed to file income tax return because there are no taxes to be paid to the government. My employer has already deducted the TDS. So there are few taxpayers, I would say, they are under this confusion or misconception that they need not to file income tax return. They will definitely get a tax notice and they have to pay 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees late fees. So it's better to take the expert advice whether you are supposed to file your income tax return or not. Avoiding or ignoring is not going to help you, but you can take the help now. Before 31st July, you can file for the financial year 23-24. The other thing is that even if your income is below 2.5 lakh, there are some mandatory conditions when you have to file income tax return. Number one, you have foreign asset. If you have a bank account or something, or some shares outside India, or a pension account, you have to file mandatory even if your income in India is 2.5 lakhs, say, less than 2.5 lakh. Then if you are paying electricity bill above rupees 1 lakh, you have to file mandatory. If you have travel expenses about 2 lakh rupees during the financial year, you have to file your return. If you have to claim any refund from the department, income tax department, your TDS has been deducted more, then you have to file income tax return. If you want to carry forward your losses, you have to file mandatory return. And some cash transactions, there are mandatory requirements, or business 60 lakh rupees and more if you are doing. So these are mandatory requirements, and some benefit of filing ITR are that you can apply for visa as an income proof with this income tax return, or you can apply for loan. This is a certain income document. So apart from mandatory requirement, it has some benefit also. So if you have any confusion, it's always good to consult with the relevant people or the relevant expert, and tax planner is filing income tax return for last 17 years for millions of taxpayers in India. So why don't you take the assistance from our experts and ensure that there is nothing left to the confusion. Thank you.